Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a video, and if you want to add stickers, go to the lower bar, tap to the third icon, the text next to the audio, and here you can find the second option, the stickers. Click that, and here just wait a few seconds. That's the problem. Actually, I have different problems for the internet connection, don't know why, but here in the site you can find different stickers and emojis in different thematics, and you can add that to your video, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.